Hello, my name is Sean Joseph, and this is my presentation for my CSCI E-22 final project titled Federation. Federation is a decentralized social network. This means that you can make a post on any Federation instance, and every Federation instance that is federated with that instance will be able to view it using the REST API. So if you load the homepage for any Federation instance, every Federation instance that server is connected to will be able to view it. So this is what the Federation interface looks like. As you can see, that it looks very similar to network. However, there are some changes. For example, you can see that the user is listed with a port and an IP address. The reason for this is because that's what differentiates each of the different instances from each other. So for for ease of local testing, that's why there's a port. So you can run multiple Federation instances on one computer, or if you had if you wanted to run multiple from within a NAT, you would be able to just give each of the different instances a separate IP, and you'd be able to do so. And this is what a local post looks like by comparison. So you can see that it's simply listed as the username at local to specify that it's a local post. So the main way that Federation works is that rather than indexing by a Django user object, it uses a username and a server, with the idea being that each server will enforce that only one user can hold a certain username. So if we just treat it as each user at one server is listed by a server ID and a username, then if we store the user ID, the username, the server ID, and any other information, that allows us to look up posts by users across different servers. However, for the most part, we typically store data on the server of the post. So users must have a local account to post to a server. You can't post to other servers, but you can comment, and do other actions for users from other servers. And we generally hold that information on the account of the user, or on the server of the user, or the server of the post. So for example, if we block a user, that's a local block list on the server that you are. But then if you comment, that comment is stored on the federated instance, and likes are also stored on the federated instance. There's also a /federation REST API that allows each of the federated instances to talk to each other, and the servers are differentiated by IP address and ports. As you can see, we also have the ability to do searches. We have the ability to block users, and we also have the ability to block and delete servers. If you're an admin, you have the ability to add new servers, but if you're not an admin, you only have the ability to block servers. We also have the ability to do hashtags and spoiler text, as well as an RSS feed. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation.